Now it's time to think about problem and solution text structure. What is the problem? And then what is the solution to the problem? How is the problem fixed so that it doesn't happen anymore? So let's read our text. Cutting an onion can be an extremely unpleasant experience. In fact, it is so awful that it often results in eyes that sting like bees and tears streaming down the cook's face. Have you ever wondered what causes this undesirable outcome and how you can avoid it? Slicing the onion releases sulfuric acid into the air. This sulfuric acid reacts with the moisture in a person's eyes and results in the tearful reaction. There is a simple solution to this common problem. Cut the onion under a stream of running water. This will prevent the sulfuric acid from reacting with your eye's moisture. If you follow this tip, you will likely have a positive onion cutting experience without tears. So I want you to go back and reread the text. Like I said, think about what the problem is, what needs to be fixed, and then what is the solution? How is it fixed? And then I want you to work on the organizer on the next slide telling me what the problem is and what the solution is.